Cue the sun rising over a quaint European village, the cobblestone streets whispering tales of history, culture, and tradition. Now, imagine this scene infused with the pulsating rhythm of technology, innovation, and community. Welcome to the expansive Tech Hub concept, a transformative initiative designed to revitalize underused spaces across Europe, from farmhouses to entire villages, into bustling centers of technology, education, and innovation. Picture a small farmhouse, now home to a 20-person tech hub brimming with creative energy. These hubs are perfect for startups and small teams, focusing on activities like software development and digital arts. Here, innovation thrives in a close-knit environment. Now, imagine a refurbished warehouse, the echo of its industrial past harmonizing with the hum of 50 to 100 tech enthusiasts. Here, larger projects take shape, from engineering and robotics to mechanics. These spaces cater to outdoor events and product testing, even accommodating dynamic AI-driven retail experiments. Next, visualize an elegantly renovated chateau, radiating sophistication and serenity. Housing 30 to 50 people, these premium hubs specialize in advanced AI research, arts, branding, and business development. These settings foster high-level strategic collaborations and exclusive educational retreats. Finally, imagine an entire village teeming with up to 200 people, a comprehensive tech town with facilities for extensive R&D, large-scale projects, and community-oriented innovations. These tech hub villages include fully operational movie sets, AI-managed retail stores, and spaces dedicated to cultural, artistic, and community development activities. The investment opportunities are as diverse as the tech hubs themselves. Investors can choose projects that align with their interests, with options for phased funding and involvement at different stages of development. From $300,000 for small hubs to over $5 million for extensive village projects, there's a tech hub for every ambition. Primarily located in France, Spain, and Italy, these tech hubs leverage the unique cultural, architectural, and historical attributes of each location, enhancing their appeal and multiplying their impact. So envision a future where technology doesn't just exist within the confines of a glass building in a bustling city. Instead, it thrives in quaint farmhouses, refurbished warehouses, renovated chateaus, and revitalized villages. This is the future we are building, where tech hubs not only drive technological progress, but also nurture cultural and economic development. This is the future that awaits those ready to make a significant impact in the tech industry and beyond.